Welcome back to MicroDried's recipe collection. Today we are making a crowd favorite, strawberry white chocolate cookies. You had better plan for a double batch because these cookies are going to go fast. As always, don't worry about taking notes. We will provide the full recipe at the end of the video. If you have ever baked with fresh strawberries, you know they break down easily in a mixing application and can turn your whole product pink. Not with MicroDried strawberries. Our fragments are free-flowing and will mix right into the batter without clumping. Even when incorporating into a thick cookie dough, notice how the cell structure stays intact. The result is a delicious cookie with great visual appeal and strawberry flavor in each bite. Scan the QR code at the end of the video to get access to all of our recipes. For product samples, contact sales@microdried.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll try this recipe.